So this is what I'm this is what I'm working on for my daughter, because she like to be in front of her phone taking picture and making videos. So I'm going to make a what do you call this now? A holder, like selfie holder. But the only thing with this is gonna be able to rotate with a remote. So I put a gear right here, so, and there's a motor right there, and I'm gonna put some controller in here, so. But this is for our next video. What I'm working on today is this washing machine. So you know, drain is off and it is not connected at the moment, but you know, over time, by using it, sometimes even when the drain is not on, you will notice water keep running out, because I believe it one time washing some clothes, and when I go and check it back, it was empty. There was no water inside. So I've realized that the drain was clogged up, and because of the clog, close properly. No matter, even if it turn off, it don't close properly. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to pull it up and I'm going to clean out the pump, clean out the drain, and let you see. So as you can see, the drain is off. I'm going to throw some water inside of it, and you're gonna notice it's going to be empty, and the drain is not undrained. It is normal now, but you're gonna notice all the water is running out. So it's gonna be empty. All the water is running out. So if you have a washing machine and you notice that, it's because the drain system won't clean, the pump clog up with all the little the other one call them little particle from off of the clothes and the build up and all them stuff there. So it kind of make the drain don't close properly. So I'm going to pull it apart, and I'm going to let you see all of that. Alright. So here is the pump. Here is the pump. No, there's the pump. The pump is way around there. There's a pump around there, so. And this is the drain system. So I think all of this want to clean. So I'm going to lay it down. I'm going to clean it. Remember, this is Black's DIY project. There you can do all things yourself without it costing you $1 for workmanship. And just don't go around playing with electric current. But apart from that, you can just pull stuff apart just to see, because sometimes it's some minor problem that you can take care of, and you have some technician who will charge you a lot for nothing. You don't want that, so you can just do stuff yourself. Okay. So just want to pull this apart. This is not a microwave, it's not all that deadly. Okay, so once I can move these clips, right. I don't really want to pull it right apart. I just want to get to where the pump is and where the drain system is. So I really want to put this up here, so you have to just sit with me for a bit, cause it's not like I have a standing camera, just phone I'm using at the moment. I don't really want take away this. All right. Okay. Okay. So this is the problem. This is the problem. So look at this. This is all the build-up in the washing machine. I'm going to scrape all of this and this, and so that you can see. So this would actually make it the pump leak. See, there's a lot of season also in this. But whenever I take my kids to beach, I get some of the sun hiding their clothes, and alright. So this is the problem that I'm having. That's the reason why whenever time I leave water in the washing machine, I always go back and see it empty. Okay? Yeah. This is the pump. So it seems as if the pump also have some sand and some gravel inside of it as well. So I'm going to pull it apart and see what is happening inside. Just pull it apart,